Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this week I want to share with you my version of the traditional southern Italian dish melanzane alla parmigiana. So let's go straight on to the recipe. So the first thing that we need to do is slice the aubergine, and I like to do it vertical to get bigger slices. The next thing is we're going to grill it. Now, traditionally the aubergine is fried, but I think it really gets very oily because aubergine are like sponge-like vegetables, so they absorb a lot of oil. So I prefer to grill it in a skillet with a little bit of oil. This way it cooks beautifully and it's very waistline friendly. And I like to add the oil using a little bit of kitchen paper. This way it's just a really thin layer of oil. Once all the aubergine has been grilled, let's go ahead and prepare the cheese. So I'm cutting here the mozzarella, and also we're going to use some Parmesan cheese. If you don't have Parmesan cheese, you can also use grana padano. It's a good alternative as well. Okay, so once all the ingredients have been prepared, now it's just a matter of assembling the dish. So I used, for my tomato sauce, I used my traditional Italian recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you to check out. You can use any other tomato sauce recipe that you may have. For this recipe, I used chopped tomatoes rather than passata because it was what I had at home. But normally I would use passata it's just, the sausage just comes out thicker and much nicer, I think. So now it's just really assembling. So at the bottom, in a baking tray or a baking oven safe dish, I put some olive oil, and then I put a layer of tomato sauce, and then a layer of grilled aubergine, mozzarella cheese, and I like to add some basil leaves as well. This is not traditional, but I really like the flavor that it gives to the overall dish. So it's just really an assembled job of just creating the layers of aubergine, tomatoes, cheese, basil, and then aubergine, tomato, cheese, and basil until you complete the whole height of the dish. Once all the layers have been completed, I like to finish with a layer of mozzarella cheese, and then on top I like to add the grated Parmesan cheese or grana padano, depending on what you're using. And this just gives it that cheesy top that once it's baked in the oven, it's just crispy on the top and it's delicious. So at this point that everything is done, I'm gonna bake it in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for 15 minutes. And it comes out like this, really gooey and cheesy on the top, and absolutely beautiful and delicious layers of flavors of aubergine and tomato and cheese, and it's absolutely fantastic. Well, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you haven't done so you get notified every time I put up a new video. See you next time. Bye.